Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a really simple and easy strategy with which you can make money online doing affiliate marketing in 2020. This is a really awesome method and not many people are going to share you this method. Okay, so now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time because I know your time is really very important and you all are eager to make some money online. And before that, I would like to say that if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, I definitely highly recommend you to subscribe to this channel so that you get notified every time I upload a new awesome video on this channel which will teach you about make money online. So now let's jump into the content. So the first thing you have to go is you have to go to this website which is known as clickbank.com and sign up for it. So if you don't have a Clickbank account, then I highly recommend just go to Google, search for Clickbank and just sign up for it. It requires just your bank details and your name and your address so that you can pay it from this network. Okay, this is an affiliate platform. So now, once we are on Clickbank, just select over here Marketplace. Okay, once you click on Marketplace, you will land on this page. Okay, over here. Now, what you have to do is go to this over here, Spirituality, New Age, and Alternative Beliefs. Okay, so this is something a category of products which we are going to promote. So I will be promoting this product, which is, oh my god, 2020 new manifestation magic mega head generates massive APCs. Okay, so this is kind of very long name of this product, but this is a product which we are going to promote. Okay, this product has really very good gravity, which is 188, which is really awesome. And now we will be promoting this awesome product. Okay, so as we are awesome people, you are awesome people, we are going to promote this awesome product. So just understand that stuff. Okay, so now you have to click on this promote button and you can get the affiliate link. Okay, so just click on generate hop link and you can get your beautiful affiliate link. But this link really looks ugly, I don't like it. Okay, but now I will show you how you can create this, turn this ugly looking affiliate link into a really cute and beautiful affiliate link. So just copy this link from over here and we'll convert it into a beautiful looking link. Okay, so we have got that ugly affiliate link, but that link really is going to make us some money. Okay, so now just go to this website which is known as Bitly, and Bitly is a magician in terms of website because this converts your this type of ugly looking link into this cute looking short little link. Okay, so this cute short little link is something which is now going to earn us money. Okay, so we don't need to promote this ugly link. Okay, but this short little beautiful link, everyone just would like to click on it. I just love this link, Bitly link. Okay, now we have to copy this Bitly link. Okay, just click over here and press copy. Now we have got this beautiful looking link. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go to a website which is known as awsome. Okay, so not many people must have told you about this method, but I'm showing you. This is awsome and just search for self-improvement category and just abundance and prosperity, something related to law of attraction, manifestation, and all those stuff. Okay, so this is the type of product which we are going to promote, and that's the reason why I have selected an article based on law of attraction. Okay, so this is the article which we are going to utilize. Now Awsome Articles is a platform from which you can copy any of the articles. Okay, these are all copyright free articles, so you can copy and use it in your way however you want to use them. So what I did was I copied this articles from over here. Okay, just I have already copied it, so to save some time. Okay, so here is the article. Okay, here's this handsome looking guy who has written this article, and what I did is that you can see that in the end of the article he has provided some of the links, but what we are going to do is we are not going to copy these links. Okay, but instead we are going to place our this beautiful looking affiliate links in this article. Okay, so let's go downwards and I will show you where I have placed this. So here you can see that I have pasted my affiliate link over here. So if someone reads this article and and clicks this link, then he will directly go to the affiliate offer, and if he buys a product, we get a commission. So this is really awesome. Okay, now what you have to do is download this article. Just click on over here this file. Okay, just click on download and then download as PDF. I have already downloaded it as PDF. So here you can see I have already downloaded this document. And the platform which I am using for this is Google Docs. Okay, just go to this website docs.google.com and you can find a software just like Microsoft Word in which you can edit article. And if you want to edit this in Microsoft Word, then you can also do it in Microsoft Word. For just convenience purposes, I am using Google Slides. Okay, so once you have downloaded this in article, now I'm gonna reveal to you the most important thing of this video. The best thing about this video, the great traffic source which can provide you hundred million of traffic absolutely for free. Yeah, you can get this much traffic absolutely for free to your offers. So this is going to be a really awesome platform. So just play close attention over here in this video. This is going to be really interesting. So now let's reveal. So this is the website which I'm talking about. It is known as slideshare.com. Now you have got the PDF. Okay, and let's go to the home of this website and you can see all this articles. Okay, just PDF articles are really very famous over here. You can see 1,32,008 views, 1,20,000 views, 1,26,000 views, 336,000 views, 95,433 views. So you can see many of the people are reading articles on this platform and are even downloading those articles from this platform which is known as slideshare.com. Now all you need to do is go to this platform and click the sign up button and you can sign up for this platform, and after signing up you can start uploading this type of articles on this platform. Just click on this upload button and you are ready, and you can just drag and drop the files over here and you can upload these articles. I have not edited this article properly. I am just going to add some of the more images and then I will publish it on here on slideshare.com, and that's what you have to do. Just do this step. Okay, and what you have to do is just post as many articles as you can and just promote many of the offers. Don't just promote one offer. If you are going to just post one article related to one offer, then there is a very less chance of you of getting a sale. But you have to promote hundreds of products in hundreds of different niches and just find out more and more good articles about many of the categories and you can start posting. This method requires consistency. Just what is the challenge here is that hashtag 100 over here, because you just have to find out some of the products on ClickBank and find articles related to it, convert them into PDF documents and upload on SlideShare. I'd highly recommend that you should upload minimum of 100 articles on SlideShare, which include your affiliate links. Okay, and with this method, you can create hundreds and even thousands of this type of articles and upload it to SlideShare. And what is going to happen is you are going to get traffic from this platform, but don't stick with 5, 10. Just go for a big number. Just go for 100 and you can definitely make a very good amount of sales and very good amount of commissions can be earned by you utilizing this really simple and easy strategy. But the thing about this strategy is you need to be consistent. You need to be posting articles on SlideShare every single day. Just this takes only just half an hour. Just paste 5 to 10 articles on SlideShare every single day, and as the days are passing and you are posting consistently, you will start seeing some sales, and day by day your sales will get increased and you will be earning more and more money utilizing this method. And everyone knows that SlideShare is a really huge platform. It gets hundreds of millions of traffic every single month, so you are definitely going to get a very good amount of traffic on your affiliate offers utilizing this free awesome strategy. So if you like this video, just press the like button under the video, as well as press the subscribe button, turn it into gray color, and a bell icon will appear next to it. All you need to do is press that bell icon also and select all, so that you get all the notifications about when I upload a new video on this channel. And if you like my content, I definitely recommend that you should check out other videos on my channel. They will also provide you a ton of value about make money online, affiliate marketing, online business, entrepreneurship. All this good stuff is available on my channel, so definitely you can check out all the other videos. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.